What's up guys, it's Iconic Mercenary here, and we have our T-Rocks available to be placed, and I've upgraded my castle, so now we can actually place them, because we didn't have enough beds before. So, pretty much the exact same as last video. If you didn't watch that, you should quickly go watch that before you start watching this one, because it's, like a bit of information of what I've been doing without you guys here. I can now place this guy. I wonder what he sounds like. I'll put him next to the frog. Let's see if we're unlocked. What do I unlock? Oh, level up. What do you know? Gotta make some stuff. Some ice cream and 3 hours. There's a few donuts, maybe. So yeah, I just got a bit of food so I can upgrade this voila. This frala. Exciting. So I can upgrade this fella to like 4 so I can read and his information. I'm pretty sure rock, water, ice. And this guy is rock, water. So that won't work out. So pretty much all of those joined together. But aren't these guys? I don't know what they are. Let me see. Yeah. I can't even do anything with them. Like mics. Oh, that's what. Oh, okay, yes, I finally got. So you can get a little boost from them, I figured out. And this guy doesn't have a boost because he's not deadly. I'm all here. So you got that 25% now. Basically, all I've been doing is leveling up my guys, breeding, upgrading crap, like just the basics. Like I haven't bought anything or anything like that, but I have leveled up a few times. I think on my last episode I was level 6, I think it was. Now I'm level 9, going to level 10 soon, and I can get a leaf guy, that's right, yeah, and I really want him so I can, like, do something. Here he is, Potbelly little bugger. I'll buy him and place him somewhere. How long does he take? 2 hours, okay. I'll make another video in the morning because it's getting a bit late now. At the moment it is, what's the time? 10 o'clock night, so, yeah, 10 to 10. I don't really know what to say, guys. Oh yeah, if you guys have this game, be sure to send me a code in the chat so I can friend request you and yeah, all that stuff. I don't know, yeah. So, my cousin, I hope he's been playing because he promised me that he would be. He hasn't been playing for ages. I have to dislike his face because he hasn't been playing. Excuse me, you come into my profile, man here, me, and you say I can't rate my friend's base? That ain't working for me. You can go stuff yourself, you know that? Go shove that up your bum, your notification. Notification, I'm Switzerland now, notification. For all my Switzerland viewers out there. I hope you know that notification. You chop it up with your axe. I just watched Battle Hard, so yeah. you know what that's like. It's got Switzerland and has a weird accent. I like the Switzerland accent. It sounds nice. And I'm not joking, I'm not being stupid. Well, I can't even, but like, I'm not joking about that. It sounds nice. It's like, what's wrong with it? Ah, jeez. I hate waiting ages for food. Oh, sorry, 1 second. This ugly crap wants to take my time. Guys, this game's actually pretty cool. Like it does something, and you have to name what it did. Like, a little picture comes up, and you have to, like, type in, and it can be movies and all sorts of crap, but I don't want to get it. So I probably will, but not at the moment, like, because why now? I'm in the middle of making a YouTube video, you know, bruh? Meh, meh. I'll be quiet for a sec so you can hear these guys. I'm gonna mute everyone else so you can hear what this T-Rox does. I can't even hear him. Sorry, 1 second. I'll be right there. I hate these little guys. They're so annoying. Dun, dun, dun. I wish I could just mute them for life. Okay, I'll turn it up now. Hey guys, I really like that. That's really cool. I reckon that would go really well with this. And that. And I need a little like. I really like that. That sounds nice. I'll try put it in with these 3 little mongrels. I hate them. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, there we go. I did it. Okay, now listen. I hope when you level the guys up, they sound better, because, not better, I'm louder. I want a biggified T-Rox. He'll look deadly biggified. And, I hope, like, not their thing changes, but they just come a heap louder, because he's just getting, like, overspoken from everyone else. Like, you can't even really hear it. You can, like, dun, dun. Yeah, and all that, but, like, you want to hear him a bit more complex. I'm sick of these guys. I want to kill them. I want to get rid of them. Annoying. Oh, way! Ugly mongrels. Yeah, stay in your little hole. Okay, now I'll turn it up. like that because I really like it. So we've just been mucking around with the sounds this video. It wasn't much of a complex one, so yeah. In the morning I'll be coming on. Wait 1 sec, I want to make sure I can. Oh yes. Memory? No. I don't feel like going memory. I feel like going scratch. No. Okay, everyone. Cross your heart. Now do the prayer. Get 1,000 diamonds. Go. Ooh. Food. Actually, that's not too bad. At least now I can upgrade that T-Rock. Okay guys, I'll quickly stop the video just there so you don't need to watch this ad. So 1 sec. Hello. There was no ad, but I got it doubled. Give me the food! Yes, there we go. That's right. Give me food to you. Oh crap, I finished out. Okay, let's upgrade this fella. Oh, come on. Oh my god, 1 feed off, guys. 1 feed. I'm gonna have to wrap the video up here, so 3, 2, 1. Smash that like button. And if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all your love, and you'll see me in the next video.